To create a delicious French-Vietnamese stir-fry, heat up a wok and splash in some oil. Place in prime cuts of filet mignon, add a little butter, and start to cook at full heat. Fire and flavor rising from the wok is a great sign that the beef is cooking up just right. Add some garlic, yellow onion, and a little more butter to make the aroma even more irresistible. Cook until the flavors blend just right with the beef, while adding oyster and soy sauce, 1 spoonful of sugar and pepper, blending everything vigorously. Finally, add in some green onion for just the right touch. And there you have it, Filet Mignon stir-fry, the perfect savory fusion of French and Vietnamese cuisine.